Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Alibaba. So let me take you to the website, which is alibaba.com. For the ones who don't know about them, alibaba.com is a business-to-business e-commerce platform connecting global suppliers, primarily from China, with buyers worldwide. Launched in 1999, it facilitates wholesale transactions across various industries, offering products in bulk to businesses at competitive prices. The platform includes features for secure payments, buyer protection, and logistics services, catering to retailers, manufacturers, and resellers looking for sources solution. So what you're waiting for? If you got yourself a business, you can come to the website, explore products for your businesses that you might want to sell it out on retail price, get yourself products, whatever you need. But this is not exactly why we are here. We are here to earn money from Alibaba.com. Is it possible? Of course it is. We simply have to join the affiliate program of Alibaba and start promoting them to our audience, to our traffic. And when we bring sales to them, guess what? We'll get the commission. Now, who can join the affiliate program of Alibaba.com? As such, I didn't find any restriction for the affiliates. So regardless of your location, you can apply to the affiliate program, get the approval, start promoting them. To the consumers of which country can you promote? Well, you can promote them to the consumers of any country around there so long as Alibaba.com ship the products there, except for three countries, that is China, India, and Nigeria. So except for these countries, you can promote to the consumers of other countries out there. So how do you join the affiliate program of Alibaba.com? For that, let me take you to the website called avin.com. Now, what is Avin and why are we talking about Avin? Avin is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? Affiliate marketing network works as a mediator between the brands and affiliates. So in order for affiliate to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, they have to join the respective affiliate network. So in our case, if you want to join the affiliate program of Alibaba.com, we have to join Avin as an affiliate. Now, just so you know, I haven't called affiliates as publishers, so don't get confused. So the question is, how do you join Avin as an affiliate? For that, you can click on Get Started, which will take you to the section. Over here, you can go to Am I a Publisher? Click on Sign Up to Avin. The registration process could be a bit tough, so don't you worry. I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create an affiliate account with Avin. You'll find the link in the video description. Follow the instructions from there and get yourself an affiliate account with Avin.com. Once you have an account with them, you can come to the website once again, click on login. Doesn't matter from here or from the home page, which will take you to the login screen. Over here, you can enter your credentials, which will then take you to something called Publisher Dashboard. Now, this is a place where you would be able to interact with different brands out there, not just Alibaba.com, but we will only be talking about Alibaba here. So how do you find the affiliate program of them? For that, you can hover over advertisers and you can click on join programs, which will take you to the section. Over here to the left, you can write Alibaba and you can click on search icon. Then it will show you all the affiliate programs of Alibaba. In total, there are four. One is Alibaba UK, then US, EU, and APAC. Depending on your location, you can go with one of them or you could go with more than one, totally up to you. What if you don't see a region in here? Then don't worry, from wherever you have most of the traffic, go with that. Let's say if you're getting most of the traffic from US, then go with this one. Otherwise, UK, EU, or APAC, depends on that. Now, let's say if you want to know more about the affiliate program, just hover over the name. You see, it will turn into orange. That's an hyperlink. Click on it. That will take you to the profile page. So if I click on Alibaba UK, it will take me to the profile page of Alibaba. Over here, I can see more details. If you look at the left side, I can click on commission rates to learn more about commission. So let me click on it. Then it will take me to this section. And as you can see, depending on different things, I could get anywhere between 4% to 9% commission rate. Now, they haven't clarified how much commission rate is for what exactly, but you could get anywhere between 4% to 9% commission rate, depending on the kind of product that you will end up selling to your audience, to your traffic as an affiliate. Now, you have read the commission rate, then you can go back to the profile page. If you ever want to reach out to them, just click on send an email, and then you can write an email to them directly from the platform itself. Then comes the program terms. So you can click on program terms and you can learn more about what they allow and what they don't allow. For example, what are the rules for PPC, transactions, branding, and notice period, and all these things. As you can see, PPC, if you click here, you can get to see the program terms related to PPC, like what's allowed in PPC and what's not. And if you click on publishers, you get to see what kind of publishers are they fine with. For example, they're okay with publishers from cashback, like publisher having cashback website, community website, content website, all these things are fine with. So usually whatever kind of publishers you are, it seems you'll be fine in applying to the affiliate program and getting the approval for that. Now, let's say you have read it all and you want to apply to the affiliate program. For that, you can come to the section once again, decide which one you want to go with. Let's say if I want to go with Alibaba UK, I can click on this plus icon for that. You can also do that. It will open a popover. You might want to read all this for better understanding. And then you go to promotion. From here, you select where you plan to promote the Alibaba.com products. It's super important because when you will be applying to them, they will know that you only intend to promote them on this specific promotional side of yours. So it could be a website, blog, or social media account. In my case, I have gone with my YouTube channel. Then over here, you can write about yourself. This is very important because this will help you in getting approval from them. You can tell them that why you want to apply to them, why you're interested in affiliate program, and what you intend to do. So I have already returned for myself. I'm just going to paste it here. And then you can click on by checking the box, you're agreeing to abide by the specific terms and conditions for the program, followed by click on join. When you do that, your application to the Alibaba.com team would go. They will see whether you're good fit for them, and based on that, they will give you the approval. Now, how much time would it take for get the answer from them? It could take anywhere between 2 days to a couple of weeks time, and you'll be notified by an email upon getting approval or rejection, whatever it is. Now, let's say when you get the approval, where would you see the affiliate program? For that, you can click on join, which will take you to this section, join, and you can see all your approved programs would be here, including the Alibaba affiliate program that you applied to. So a few days back, I applied to Alibaba Pack and I got the approval. And as you can see, I see them here. Same way, if you have gotten the approval, you would be able to find them within join section. Now you got the approval. What can you do? You can start promoting them, but you can't just take any link from their website, promote them. If you do that, everyone would know that the efforts are coming from you. Even Alibaba would know the efforts are coming through you. So you won't be able to get a commission. So you have to ensure you use tracking links, affiliate links, I would say. Now, how do you generate or get the tracking links or affiliate links? For that, you hover over toolbox and you click on link builder, which will take you to this section. Over here, you can basically build your tracking link. So let's say if you want to create a tracking link for Alibaba, you choose join from here, you search Alibaba in here, select them, and then you want to create tracking link for which URL. Let's say I got this URL. I want to create tracking link for it's the home and garden products. So I can copy this URL. Same way you can copy, you can put it in the destination URL. If you want to add any click parameters, you can do that, but this is optional. If you know, you know. If you don't know, it's fine. Just ignore. Just click on generate link thereafter. Then it will create tracking link for you. You see, this is how it looks like. And if you want to shorten up, you can click on shorten link and it will shorten your link. See, this is your tracking link. So if I'm going to put the tracking link in here on Google, just go to that link. You see, it took me to the same page. But what's important is it's a tracking link. Now, this will let Evan know that the efforts are coming through me as an affiliate. Even Alibaba.com team would know. So that's why you should be using the tracking link. You can also use HTML version of it. Basically, you can integrate it at the backend of your website. So you can use the URL, you can also use the HTML. Now, what if instead of creating your own link, you want to get available links? For that, you can hover over toolbox once again and click on My Creative. When you do that, it will take you to the section. Over here, you can select the type of link you want, dimension maybe, and just go with Alibaba in here. You see, and this you would only be able to do if you get the approval. You would be able to see all the available links they have here. For some reason, images are not coming here. Basically, you can decide from any of these links. You can click on copy code or you can click on view details, and this will be the HTML link code that you can copy. So you can integrate it at the back end of your website. And this is how, when people would come to your website, they will click on the link, they will make the purchase, you'll end up getting commission. Now, you have learned how to create tracking link or how to get a tracking link or affiliate link, but the question arises, where exactly can you promote Alibaba.com, isn't it? Well, there are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. One is website or blog. Now, it doesn't matter whatever kind of website or blog you have, you could just promote Alibaba.com there. Website, maybe just put the advertisement of Alibaba anywhere on your website. That should be fine. Blog could be great because you could write different blog posts about different kind of products available on Alibaba.com, and then just followed by your tracking link somewhere in the blog post. That could work as well. Second way I would say is a social media. Now, I didn't find any restriction as such. I feel like you can promote them on social media, but still, if you want to confirm, you can write an email to them and get a confirmation. Now, let's say and assume that they're fine with you promoting them on social media. You can maybe create reels on products available Alibaba.com, put your tracking links in the comments for the reels. You can even create short videos. You can even post, totally up to you, your methods. Then comes the shopping website, which I feel like is more suited here because people would rather come to the shopping website to buy something, isn't it? So maybe you create a section over there for bulk purchase. And within that section, you start putting the tracking links for Alibaba.com. This way, people would come to your website, would go to that bulk section, will search around any product in bulk they like, they can click on it, they buy the product from Alibaba.com. Guess what? You'll get the commission. Now, these are the ways, but wherever you plan to promote them, ensure you have gotten the approval from them for that promotional space. And we talked about it when we were applying to them. Like I selected YouTube channel. So same way, you can promote them only on the promotional spaces for which you have gotten the approval from them. All right. So we have learned how to get the tracking links, how to promote them. Where would we see our performance? That's the another question. So let's go back to the dashboard once again. And to see our performance, we can hover over reports. And let's say if you want to see our performance over time, we can click on week in here. Then it will show us the weekly performance over time. Similar to that, we can run different reports to see different things. We can also run payment reports to see any payment that's being issued to us. Depending on us, whatever kind of metrics you want to see, we can click on it accordingly and see that. Now, whatever commission that will get accumulated in your Avon dashboard, that will be issued to you. So how exactly it works, Evan would receive this commission from Alibaba.com, and Ivan will then issue the commission to you. So for that, you have to ensure you have your payment details up to date on Evan. And how do you update your payment details? For that, you can hover over account. You can go to payment details, which will take you to this page. It will first ask you to enter your tax details. I have hidden it. It's about, basically, you should add your tax details. Once you have done it, then you can scroll down. You would be able to select payment methods for the USD, for GBP, and for Euro and Brazilian Real. So depending, you have to understand, like we have different brands out there, and they're from different regions. So that's why it's better. I would suggest update your payment details for all these regions. So this way you get the payment accordingly. Now, what payment methods you have? The first payment method is payment by ACH. If you go with this one, you can enter the details accordingly. You can also decide payment threshold, which is flexible. Go with $20, $25. That means you will only receive the commission from Avon if it exceeds the selected amount from here. Then the second option is payment by international wire. So if you click here, you have an option to set up the Pioneer account. If you already have an account, just add the details and it would work. So you get two payment methods. One is payment by ACH, another is payment by international wire, where you can select Pioneer. So this is how you can set up your payment details to start getting commission. All right, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Alibaba.com. You apply to them, you get the approval, you start promoting them, and you start getting commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Alibaba.com. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.